Phantom's Revenge is a hypercoaster at Kennywood that, let's just say, uses the terrain to its advantage. Phantom was originally built by Aerodynamics in 1991 as a hyper looper, but it had gotten so rough that Kennywood had D.H. Morgan to redo the coaster for the 2001 season, replacing all the inversions with airtime hills. To start the ride, you climb a 160-foot tall lift hill with a curved drop followed by some straight track. The ride goes into a hill with a slight turn to the right before plummeting down the 228-foot drop that provides some good flowjector. At the bottom of the drop, the ride reaches its top speed of 85 miles an hour. After that, the ride goes through some large hills and turns, going through Thunderbolt structure a few times. Then the ride reaches its grand finale. Multiple back-to-back moments of insane ejector airtime until the ride reaches its brake run. This is an amazing ride, but everything in the first half, with an exception for the 228-foot drop, didn't really stand out to me that much. So for the final score of Phantom's Revenge, I give it a 9 out of 10. This ride is amazing, like I said, but it just needs more interesting elements in the first half. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.